Hashtag let the earth breathe. Every breath we take is a gift. But what if the earth can no longer breathe?
Non-renewable energy like coal, oil, and natural gas powers our daily life.
But these sources release carbon dioxide and harmful gases into the air.
Because of this, our planet slowly heating up and losing its natural balance.
And we experience stronger typhoon, extreme heat, and rising sea level.
Air pollution affects our health, making it harder for us to breathe safely.
So non-renewable resources are running out, so we cannot replace them.
I want a future where air is clean and nature is alive.
But if we continue like this, that future may disappear.
We can start by using renewable energy like solar and wind.
Reduce waste, reuse materials, and recycle properly.
Small actions, when combined, create a big change.
The earth give us life.
So let's protect it.
And give a chance to breathe again.
Act now, share the message. Go on, go on.
Let the earth breathe.
Hashtag
Let the earth breathe.
I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby, she a